Hi, Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the all-new 2019 23-foot Harris Pontoon Cruiser. This is our SL layout, which is our single lounger. As you can see, walking to the back, we have a nice lounger here in the back, a couple speakers below, and if you walk out to the back, the bench, as you see there, can also flip to allow a nice place to sit. There's storage under all the seats. Lots of storage in this boat. Under this compartment is where if you want a fold-out dressing room, you can put a dressing room in there or a small cooler. It's nice. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion audio player, all your controls, your tech, and infinity woven flooring. In the front, with some nice loungers, integrated cup holders in as well. Again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.